Hey everyone, welcome back. We're diving into the latest Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks, and while we heard about some awesome upgrades, there's one piece of news that's a real letdown for selfie fans. Okay, let's just get the bad news out of the way. The Galaxy S26 is rumored to keep the same selfie camera as the last few years of Samsung phones. Yes, you heard that right. Reputable tipster Roland Quandt dropped a hint that the new flagships will stick with a 12-megapixel front camera, likely the same one we've seen since the Galaxy S23 series. Now, before you completely lose hope, this doesn't mean the selfie photos will be exactly the same. Samsung can still make the pictures look better with software tweaks, a bit like a computer making the image smarter. They could also change the lens or other small parts. But on the main hardware side, the actual sensor, it looks like there's no major jump in resolution. This is a common criticism for Samsung. They tend to use the same parts for a long time. This lack of change isn't just about the selfie camera either. There are also rumors that the S26 Ultra might use the same 50-megapixel 5x zoom camera as the S24 Ultra, and maybe even the same main 200-megapixel sensor. It seems Samsung is focusing more on fine-tuning what they already have rather than huge hardware switches. This news is tough to hear, especially since rivals like Apple just gave a huge update to the front cameras on their new iPhone 17 series, adding better resolution and cool new features like center stage support. While Apple is pushing forward with new front camera hardware, Samsung seems to be holding back. Why? It comes down to cost and internal planning. But here's the thing to remember. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, despite using older camera parts, is still ranked as one of the best camera phones out there. This proves that having a good camera system that works well together with great software is more important than just having a high number of megapixels. Samsung knows how to make their cameras deliver great results even with familiar hardware. So the Galaxy S26 series, likely coming in January 2026, might not wow us with a new selfie camera, but it will rely on its overall performance and smart software to win us over. What do you think? Are you okay with the same 12-megapixel selfie camera, or is this a deal breaker? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest S26 leaks and news. See you next time.